Got what you want, got what you need.
Emergency alert, asteroid impact warning. This is an official message from the National Emergency Alert System. An asteroid designated Celestine Fury has impacted Earth. Preliminary data confirms that this near-Earth object, approximately 8 kilometers in diameter and composed primarily of nickel, iron with mixed silicates, was traveling at an estimated 26 kilometers per second before its impact. Impact details, impact time, 18:37 CDT, impact zone, southern region of the Central Valley near coordinates 36, 7,783 N, 119, 4,179 W, estimated energy release, (1, 2, x 1021, joules secondary, effects massive shockwaves, intense thermal radiation, significant seismic disturbances, and widespread structural damage. Immediate action required. 1. Seek shelter immediately in a sturdy, enclosed building. 2. Avoid windows and remain away from exterior walls. Relocate to interior, solid, core rooms if possible. 3. Stay indoors and monitor local broadcast media for continuous updates from emergency services. 4. Do not evacuate unless explicitly directed by authorized personnel. This alert will repeat at regular intervals until the threat has diminished and an all clear has been issued. Follow all instructions from local and national authorities.
Soon it will all be clean.
Your dream of leaving fantasy.
Sarah? Sarah? Clean enough?